Hey, what's going on guys? I am Shohruh, a Flutter developer. Today we're going to look at a very cool Flutter package which enables us to make this flip animation. So using that package, we're going to flip the entire screen back and forth just like this. It's very easy. So we can make it with a couple of lines of code. So let's get to it. Okay, first let me just refresh my screen. First of all, you need to go to pub.dev where you can get packages. So search for FlipCard just like this. As you can see, this one, the first one, is what we need. Here go to installing section, and here you have two options. Either you can copy this line and paste it in your pubspec YAML file, or you can just copy this Flutter pub add FlipCard. You can copy it and you can just open up your editor in your code editor's terminal. You can just let me clear it. You can just paste it, Flutter pub add FlipCard. You can just press enter. If you run this command in your terminal, it's going to automatically add FlipCard to your pubspec YAML file. As you can see, I have now FlipCard with a specific version. So your FlipCard version, this package version, might be a little bit different, but you need to have this FlipCard with some kind of version. Okay, that's what we need for now. We can just close this and we can close our terminal as well. So let's start it. Here I have just main function, which is entry point to our material app widget, which is stateless widget, which has home widget of my FlipCard page. This is just one stateless widget as well. Let me make this a little bit bigger. I can close my sidebar. So here, this is stateless widget, which has nothing but scaffold and container. Okay. We installed our package FlipCard. We can open up our browser one more time, and in the same installing section of this FlipCard, here you can see now in your .code you can use import this one package, this import with this path. You can just copy it and you can open up your code editor again. You can just paste it at the top of your file here, and then we can use FlipCard now here. Okay, FlipCard, the package's widget name is FlipCard, and this FlipCard has two required required children, you can say, two children. The first one, front. So for the front, you can use any kind of widget you want. So we are going to use image, as I showed you at the beginning of the video, image with asset. For now, we're going to leave it empty. We'll specify the path later. Okay, the next one is back. This is the back part of the card. So here we're going to use image again, image with asset. So for now it can be empty. Okay, now we have FlipCard with two image widgets. For now there's nothing on our screen because we did not specify the path to our images. I already added my images here in the asset folder. You can create just the asset folder. You can name it whatever you want. I named it as asset in my application folder. Here I have two images, back and front.jpg. After adding that, you just open your pubspec YAML one more time, and if you go down there somewhere, it might be commented out or you might be already using it. Here there is assets and there in these assets you can add your images. Here you can specify the path. I have two of them, back and front. As you can see, asset front.jpg, asset back.jpg, something like this. You can just comment it out and you can just use it. Make sure you make the indentation very clear here. It should be right. Indentation is very important in pub/spec YAML file. So we can save it here, and after that we can use our image asset slash the front.jpg. This is the front part. If we save it, we should be able to see our image. Okay, now we can see the front part of our FlipCard. If we press it, there's nothing for now because we did not specify the back image. It should be asset slash back.jpg, something like this. So if we save it, now we can just press on the image on the screen. It can just flip back and forth just like this. It's very easy. You don't have to add any function. This is what we need. But here you can see there's a little bit margin padding. Let's make it prettier. So we can make it something like you can use this fit with box fit of, let's make it fill, and then we can use fit again for this one, box fit of fill. We save it. Let's restart it. So if we do it for now, we didn't get rid of the padding yet. The reason is because we need to wrap this one. We need to give size for this one. For this, we can use sized box. Let's give it a width. So if we make the width just infinite, that means it can take as much space as this image is allowed to get. So we can just save it. If we save this, now we have this cool flip screen. We can just flip it as we want, and you can play with this FlipCard package, and it's very cool. For example, you can change the flip direction. If we hover over it, we can see here we can specify speed. We can specify we can use some function. When it flips, we can do something, or when it finishes flipping, we can do something else, something like this. And we can use the direction. Let's use this direction. It should be, what is it? Flip direction. Flip direction. It's now horizontal. Let's make it vertical. So let's check it how it goes. Okay, if I touch it, as you can see, it changed the direction. So this is just a simple package, but it's very cool. You can do a lot of stuff with it. You can make some games, or you can make just flashcards that people can use to learn some stuff. So yeah, this is it, I think. Okay, if you find this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. In the future, I'll try to make more useful videos for you. See you in the next upcoming videos.